Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Pixel 7a from Google with a broken display, but it's still usable. But we're gonna replace it right now. Let's go. So this Google Pixel 7a is damaged on the front display, and David here is testing the smartphone. So far so good. Touchscreen is working, no bleed on the display, just cracks on the crystal and glass. So we're gonna replace the entire display and we're gonna remove it right away. So this Google Pixel 7a has not been opened before, so expect that it's gonna put up a good resistance as we open it. And as you can see here, we are doing it piece by piece. So the display, we're not really gonna worry about it too much. Yeah, you can see it flakes off. Bits and pieces are flying everywhere. So David is wearing protective glasses and gloves to open this up. The adhesive around underneath the display is quite strong, and it took us a while to remove this broken display. We're slicing through the adhesive and lifting it on the right side, because on the left side you can see the connector is firmly attached to the display connector. David is trying to turn this on. It still works. And we're gonna continue with our disassembly. Shut them down and pop it off. So the old display, you can see there's the fingerprint scanner attached underneath the display, and we're gonna get that out and transfer it to the new display. Right there. Finally off. It's this module right here. It's quite thin and very sensitive and flimsy, so extra care is necessary so that we can still reuse that one. No issues with the Google Pixel 7a, and like iPhones that needs reprogramming on the display itself. This one is not serialized. You can buy your own replacement display and install it, and there's not going to be an issue on the software. And David is just grinding off pieces of aluminium frame so that when we attach the new display later on, it's going to sit flush over it. Right now we're just going to test our replacement display. We have here a brand new one. I'm gonna push in the display connector. There you go. And let's turn this Pixel 7a on. And it still works. So just a quick testing before we can confirm and continue with our repair. And this is the fingerprint scanner. It's quite difficult to remove, but David is making it look easy. I'm not gonna attempt that on my own Pixel 7a if I have one. Hey, these are the perks of having professional technicians work on your device. They make difficult things easy for us. And just like what I said, you can buy your own Google Pixel 7a replacement display from eBay or Amazon, and you can perform this exact screen replacement procedure. You can buy your own tools, but if you don't have the time, don't have the interest, don't have the tools to do your own Google Pixel 7a screen replacement, you can just go to your local service technician so that they can give you a quote and do the repairs for you. And of course, if you're still under warranty from Google, then you can just take your phone there and have them fix it. But unfortunately, if you are out of warranty or if you're under warranty and you need to pay up, the service center, the official service center for any smartphone brand, is gonna require you a quite hefty upfront cost or payment. Here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we make our repairs accessible to more people. Reasonable prices, quality parts, and repair services. So if you're near Sydney, you can go to David here, visit us. Or if you're outside of Sydney, you can send in your broken smartphone, let us fix it for you. Or once we are done with it, we can send it back to you in good working condition. And we have clients from all around the world sending in their smartphones. That is if you don't have your own local service technician. And this Google Pixel 7a is gonna live on with a brand new display, and it looks brand new from the front, which can perform testing, but we can't open the device up. We don't really have the pattern or the passcode, so the client will just have to test it themselves. All we have to do now is to let the adhesive cure and install this free tempered glass. It's not really for the 7a, I suspect, but it's quite a good protection for this device so that it will not be back with us anytime soon. And thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions on our services here in the shop, leave them down below. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. And yeah, we'll see you again next time. This is gonna be the before and after. See the difference. And this is legit Google Pixel 7a screen replacement. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.